Okay, YouTube, we is pulling into the scrap yard. We finna kick these vending machines up out this trailer, and I'm guessing that these vending machines probably weigh about $450 a piece. So we probably got about 800 pounds of scrap in here, man. And when we leave this scrap yard, we're gonna head to the other scrap yard and get rid of this aluminum and steel units and stuff. Dang, I think I left some steel units at home though.
Steel units?
Yeah, that's the motors. The motor we took out, I think I left a couple at the house.
Yeah.
Damn.
Like 2.
Yeah, see, I gotta put them in here.
You didn't bring them?
Yeah, I need them in here so I can go sell them to the scrap yard.
Here or
huh?
Here? Or?
No, they don't take them here. I gotta go to the other one. This one they only take metal and stuff like that.
Okay.
I mean, they only take this type of metal. They don't take copper and all of that stuff. Okay. Most of that stuff over there is me, cuz.
Really?
Yeah. I be in here every day with 2,000 pounds, 1,000 pounds, 1,500 pounds.
Where you be getting it from?
Everywhere.
See, you need to come to the city, man, because you would love it. Loving that. Scrapyard, there is the lit cans. They what is they? 45 cents a pound.
45 cents a pound?
Yeah, you know, just cans.
Okay, that ought to work. Okie doke. Let's see here.
Have to call you later.
What's that?
Plywood.
Plywood?
Probably.
I don't think I got none.
No.
Oh.
Probably just have to buy it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm probably just, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I just need a truck to, you know, get it. Be careful.
No, I ain't. Here, watch out, cuz.
Yep.
Yeah, I knew that was happening.
I kind of figured that.
I knew that was happening.
Kind of figured that.
That's why I said, watch out. I'm about to get this bad boy up out of here. Huh?
You got help. Damn. Come on, nephew. Your ass this.
I'll be full throttle. Watch out, cuz. Watch out.
Okay. Got it. So what?
Hold on.
Straight back. Okay.
Let me get up. Here, just move. I'm gonna push it down.
Sure.
Yep.
Okay.
I need to cut that cord off of there. Okay. Huh?
Say what? By weight?
Yeah, go by weight.
Okay, so what? You just ride through, and they weigh it, and then.
Yep, I come in, they weigh me, I get rid of my stuff, I go back out, they weigh me again, and they're giving $6.50 a pound. It was $8, but it then went down. So they still paying. They paying more than the other scrap yards, except for in Norwalk. Norwalk is doing 7 cents, but
Okay.
my license are suspended
Why is that?
because I got into an accident back in November,
Okay.
and they suspended my license. But I got driving privileges.
Gotcha.
I just can't drive outside Erie County, so I can't drive to Norwalk.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And I tried to get them to give me work driving privileges because the majority of a lot of my business is outside of Sandusky.
Outside.
And so,
And they still won't do it.
yeah, but man, I got, my bounce house business, 80% of my rentals is outside of Erie County.
Okay.
So
Right.
I don't have a choice but to go outside it, you know what I'm saying?
Right,
If I get
yeah.
pulled over, I just get pulled over, but
Right.
I got to,
Fuck.
I can't stop my business because of, You said what? Oh.
Scrap yard.
Yeah, I'm putting in the work. I'm putting in the work.
Gotta do something. Heard it.
Huh?
About shit like that take me out of trouble.
Yeah, you ain't gonna get no trouble with me because I try not to get in trouble. I try. Sometimes people make it hard on you.
That's all. Okay, baby. All right, peanut butter.
All right, you too, ma.
Out here, can't
Huh?
I said, hell, shit like a 10 feet.
Do your thing, man. Man, that's a big hole in my crotch, man. Shit. I changed my pants. Yeah. Yeah.
Do it under managing member and say that you have to drive for his shit like the job.
You said what?
If you have a LLC under managing member that you have to drive for his shit like your job.
Right.
You know, and it's still yours. You know what I'm saying?
Well, yeah, this vehicle is in my business's name. It's not in my name.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm already,
Like they
yeah.
fuck with you though. Right. I got two shit. I got one that says, wait. Okay.
Yeah, all my, I got 3 vehicles.
Okay.
One vehicle is in it.
Under?
No, one vehicle is in the name of a trust.
Okay.
This vehicle is in the name of a business. The other vehicle is in the name of a different business.
Gotcha.
And then all my trailers are in the same name as this business.
Okay. This thing,
Yeah.
Britain, you know, shit like my credit was shit like great. And I got a car and shit like my business name. I said, fuck it. I've been dealing with, you know, shit like some good people. So.
$886.
Where? Okay. And it was what?
I couldn't even tell.
Okay.
They good though. They the other scrap yard, they I went in there one time.
Bullshit.
Yeah, they don't be right in the Zach, man.
Okay.
I went in there one time and I got a video of me pushing this ride mower in my truck. And I know that ride mower weighed
Probably about 300-400.
Let's go by weight this time.
Let's go by weight. I think I had between
Be within 100 pounds.
I had between 800 and 1,000 pounds. I know my shit now.
That's the first time. No. Here, here's your dime too.
Oh. Oh well, hell, I had 940, so I was 60 pounds off.
You were right on.
Yeah,
Oh,
man. Yeah.
It's only because you had help this time.
No. I needed some help this time.
Right.
Huh?
I know you needed some muscle.
Man.
He needed help this time. He tried it, but he's like, Uncle, I'll try.
See, it makes him feel strong.
Yeah, I'm trying to help him. He's steadily throwing shit up and trying to lift
These
everything.
young kids, they just don't know nothing.
They don't. I told him, take your time.
This is how I stay and feel young, man.
I told him, you have help.
Shit, right? Have a good night, guys.
All right, now.
Okay.
See you in the morning.
Yep.
Shit like the morning, huh?
Yeah. I'm here every day, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'm here every day. Every day I'm in this baby.
You got to come. I'm telling you, you got to come see me because you come to Chicago. Listen, these motherfuckers sit out shit. Out of there, they built up my house. Well, not build it up, but they got some beautiful shit outside. They sitting on the curb. They got the men coming down doing everything. Every day, you would love it. You would have to feel that. I'm telling you, you would have to feel that. Like, oh shit, I'm about to keep some of this shit. Like it's like a damn record. And you like, shit, I'm about to keep that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm here every day though, cuz.
Okay.
And I just be having my GoPro on, recording, you know. I gotta go to the house and grab them other items. And then we're gonna head to the other scrap yard, get rid of this aluminum and stuff. And then that scrap yard is right where we going to go get your pallets.
Okay.
So as soon as we leave from that scrap yard, we can go get the pallets.
It's not a game.